Hello everyone, I'll tell you how to make Australian shine mocktail. Is very fancy mocktail. Take a shaker glass and you have to add some ice cube. Then squeeze one fresh lime juice. Then just pour 15 ml of coconut syrups. After that, then you have to add 180 ml of lychee juice. Before that, you have to shake the juice. After that, you have to shake all the ingredients properly. Just shake well. Shake. Then take a pilsner glass, or if you are having any other glass you can use it, and pour all the ingredients into the pilsner glass. This is the layer mocktail. Okay, then you have to pour 10 ml of grenadine syrup on top of the glass. See, then with the help of stirrer, slowly stir the grenadine syrup for making the layer. Then with the help of bar spoon, just pour 100 ml of cranberry juice on top of the mocktail. Then only see that this is the 3-layer mocktail. Thank you very much for watching my video. So your Australian shine mocktail is ready. Thank you very much for watching my video. Thank you.